zombie waking up for Comp 100 class. You can go ahead and feel sluggish and less focused, or you can grab a can of Monster. It's been proven that energy drinks help you keep alert and focused, while a common misconception is that all energy drinks are bad for you. I know what you're thinking. How can an energy drink be good for you? Well, in moderation, Monster energy drinks can be a viable option for energy, supplements, and vitamins. Monster, compared to most caffeinated drinks, are safer to drink. There are a lot of good ingredients in Monster, and there's a variety of different flavors which are better for you to consume. For some people, waking up and turning on a coffee pot is a ritual. Most of the Monster energy drinks contain 10 milligrams of caffeine per fluid ounce. People often point to the large amounts of caffeine in energy drinks as the risk. But I understand that 10 milligrams of caffeine can have different effects on different people. But according to research, that number shouldn't affect anybody in a serious manner. Shocking statistics, however, show coffee regularly brewed contains 13.4 milligrams per fluid ounce, while a coffee espresso is a shocking 51 milligrams per fluid ounce. It's not just coffee that sets the caffeine bar off the charts. Other energy drinks, such as Rockstar, contains more caffeine than any other Monster product. Yet Monster is always under constant scrutiny, while coffee gets off scot-free. Although there are dangers in drinking Monster, and there have been cases where people will have consumed too much caffeine and have gone to the hospital. Some dangers to be aware of are never mix energy drinks with other drinks, especially alcohol. As a matter of fact, the majority of hospital visits half of them were related to people mixing energy drinks with alcohol. Monster isn't low on caffeine levels, but it's not as bad as some other caffeinated drinks. Drinking Monster can also have a nutritional value as well. I know what you're thinking as well. How can Monster be good for you when they cram it with all these unhealthy ingredients? Well, many health experts aren't concerned about such novel-sounding ingredients, dismissing them as a marketing gimmick. As a matter of fact, health expert Executive Director at the Center for Science and Public Interest, Michael Jacobson, said, "Energy drink companies add ingredients that have no negative effects on the body just to make the product sound interesting, healthful, and energetic." Monster contains ingredients that can actually be helpful to the human body. If that pounding headache gets too much for you to handle, it's been proven that Monster, with medication, can increase the strength of the medicine and how quickly it works. The caffeine in Monster speeds up the effectiveness of medicine, such as aspirin or ibuprofen. Along with curing headaches, other ingredients in Monster are also good for the body. Taurine is a common ingredient found in Monster, and taurine is an amino acid that your body naturally produces that helps regulate heartbeat, muscle contraction, and energy levels. Other ingredients, such as L-carotene, have positive effects on the body as well. It's also an amino acid, but it affects metabolism and energy levels. Some research suggests that supplementation with L-carotene is a good idea because it may help burn fat during exercise. The skeptics would probably say, these aren't that good for you. Other drinks have real ingredients. But there are even other ingredients in Monster, such as Panax ginseng. This is an herb that can help reduce fatigue as well as increase energy. The herb is known to increase alertness, and that means focus in school or work or just everyday life. Needless to say, Monster contains healthy ingredients that not only will help increase energy, but also can have positive effects on the body and mind. In addition to other drinks, Monster flavors not only vary in taste, but in healthy effects. Some flavors are worse for you than others. The classic green Monster, which some of you had the sample of, delivers several good ingredients, but also has a bubbly taste as well. The classic Monster can contains only 100 calories per can. Although some of you had the taste of the M80 juice flavor, the M80 obviously contains 80% juice, hence its name. The natural juices found in the drink contain more vitamins, but yet has the same amount of buzz as any other Monster. Even with the extra sugar added from the fruit, it still maintains a very low 100 calories per can. Also, the low calorie, which some of you tried, not too many of you though, for a full can has only 10 calories. Monster has put out 27 different flavors, some drastically different from the next. Monster has recently created the Absolute Zero Monster, which is marketed and advertised as a zero sugar and zero calorie Monster. As you can see, Monster comes equipped with colors, flavors, and health benefits. So when it's just too early to be up for school or any event, instead of pouring a cup of coffee, drinking a secondhand energy drink, why not reach for the smooth taste of Monster? And remember, it's not a horribly healthy choice as well as a good means of energy. Monster, compared to most caffeinated drinks, are safer to drink. There are a lot of good ingredients in Monster, and there's many variety of different flavors that are better for you to consume. So go ahead, unleash your inner beast.